तो नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा, यहाँ पर एक बुलेट उस स्टील प्लेट से पेनिट्रेट करके जा रही है, राइट। सो सिमिलर वे वी हैविंग क्वेश्चंस इन नीट एग्जाम आल्सो, like from that lesson motion in a straight line. So but like instead of that steel plates, here we are having rectangular wooden block. Okay, so like we are not that much rich to take the steel or like to just destroy the steel plates. Okay, so here we are having one question. It was asked in NEET 2023. uh, a bullet from a gun is fired on a rectangular wooden block with velocity u. When a bullet travels 24 centimeter through the block along its length horizontally, velocity of a bullet becomes u by 3. Now then it further penetrates into the block in same direction before coming to the rest exactly at the other end of the block. Now they are asking the total length of the block each. So what we'll do, we'll try to first of all represent that diagrammatically. Here we are having that rectangular block, and here we're having bullet which penetrates that block. Okay, let's consider that bullet as though it is not looking like a bullet, but still we need to consider. So it first of all penetrates that much distance, that's order 24 centimeter. Let's consider 0.24 meter, right? We'll convert that directly into meter. Now here then again it penetrates more. Let's consider it travels x distance, right? Now what they have given that its initial velocity is u. Initially it has velocity u, and for that first travel, its velocity become, which means after like covering, after penetrating in that wooden block and traveling 24 centimeter distance, its velocity will become u by 3. So it's what the final velocity for, let's say that's what the first travel, a travel. So it becomes u by 3. So u1 is what, u by 3. Then it further penetrates that x distance as we have considered in the same direction before coming to the rest. So when it comes out or at the exactly at the other end, its velocity will become zero as it like that bullet is coming to rest. Okay, so let's consider that final velocity will be 0 meter per second, right? That is order v2. Now what they're asking us to find out the length of that wooden plank. So what we'll do, we'll just compare the like accelerations for the both the cases, A condition and the B condition. As see, initial velocity is given, both the displacements are given. For the second one, we have considered that as a x. Then final velocities for the both the case are also given. Okay, so we'll just use Newton's third equation here and we'll solve it. Okay, so let's first of all find it out for the A case. So let's apply the Newton's equation, that is what v square. Here its final velocity is what, v1. So v1 square minus u square is equal to 2as, where v1 is what, u by 3. U by 3 ka square, like u square will be u square and 3 ka square 9 minus u square is equal to 2 into displacement is 0.24. It will be 0.24 into 2. It will be 0.48 a, right? So here, if you can simplify that, you will get u square minus, so 9 u square, it will be minus 8 u square divided by 9. That 0.44 will come here in the denominator, 0.48. So that's what your A. Okay. So here you will get A as, see, 8 ones are, then 8 zeros are, then point, then again 8 zeros are, then 8 6 are. So 9 into 6, it will be 54. And that 2 zeros, it will be 0.54. And u square. Okay, so finally you will get minus u square divided by 0.54 as acceleration. So let's take that as the first. Now for the B case, we'll apply the same equation, Newton's third equation. So what's that again? V square. But here final velocity is what, v2. V2 square minus u square. But here initial velocity is what, v1. V1 square will be equal to 2as again, like for that displacement. Now v2 here is what, 0. 0 cos square 0 minus v1 is what, u by 3. So u square divided by 3 cos square 9 is equal to 2 into s. So it has traveled x distance, so it will become 2x a, right? So we can put the value of a here directly. We already have find out that value from the equation 1. So we'll get the minus u square divided by 9 is equal to 2 into x into a. How much it is? It's what, minus u square divided by 0.54, right? Here see, what will be cancelling? See, minus minus will cancel out first, u square will cancel out, right? So what we will have that x, okay, let's take that 2 here, then point, or we will divide directly here, right? 2 ones are 2, then 2 zeros are 0, then 2, it will be 0.27, right? So x will be, yeah, 0.27 will come here and 9 here, so I think 0.93 is. So you'll get x is equal to 0.3 meter, which is nothing but what? 0.3, no, 0.03 that should be, right? 9 zeros are then again 9 zeros and then again 3. So your x will be 0.03 meter, which means 0.0, why I'm writing 3? 0.03 meter is equal to 3 centimeter, right? So the total distance will be, first of all, we're having 24 centimeter and then we're having 3 centimeters. So the total length, that will be 24 plus 3, that will be 27 centimeter. So option D is what right answer. Yes. So yeah, thank you.